in true self-reflection fashion, I feel like I'm not where I'm supposed to be. Yes, I am putting it out there, and I am creating my goals, the vision board, the white ticket fence, the works. We're told it's always good to plan, because if you don't plan, then you plan to fail. Hello? Who wrote that? Yes, I felt the demotivation, the disappointment, all the feels of the existential crisis. Cue music. You're getting older. When will you move out? Why aren't you married? When are you gonna have a kid? You know, society expectation. Like the car, degree, job you have just don't match up. And for a while, I believed that. Like no matter what I did, it was never good enough. But was I though? Not good enough? For who? We have gotten to that point, the point of inadequacy. Our family, our friends, and social media has literally had some type of impact in our view of self in the world. And most times, it's negative. You're not as pretty as that girl. You don't have that type of house in that location. You'll never have that body type. You can't, you won't, and the list goes on. When does it end? I mean, it's easy to feel bad about yourself, right? Obviously. Misery loves company. But what's the story when you start encouraging your strengths, your accomplishments, looking in the mirror and loving what you see? Are you ready to change that rhetoric, rewrite the script, and be the main character of your best possible life?
Outside my window, is everything pale and cold? Can't seem to pick up my phone. It's been ringing all day long. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today's raining, so be